What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs, and in this video I will show you how to make money with affiliate marketing using Facebook ads without risking any ban. So this is a white hat method, what you guys been waiting for. So let's see, a big opportunity coming up. Let's have a look. But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Double Rule Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager, and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video. So obviously Christmas is coming up. We're about to pass into the first quarter of 2021, and you need to start and prepare these campaigns now if you want to run Facebook ads, the white hat method for affiliate marketers, to not risk getting banned for advertising restrictions, right? So a lot of you people have asked for it. The white hat method will give you hopefully no bans. Obviously, you got to keep the copy clean. You have to use a clean quiz lander for this method. It does not involve sweepstakes. We're actually going to have a look at one of the trending verticals in the first quarter for the US market, which is insurance. Right, so we're going to sell insurance, which is usually pay per lead, and during this pandemic the market has been booming. Before this video I read some articles on McKinsey where it shows like an insane graph, people buying health and life insurance even for the sales period. So the sales period in the US I think is between January and April. And there is usually where the trending offers for affiliate come regarding insurance, and they are being prepped right now. So you can prep your campaigns. The ads are not aggressive. The quiz is not aggressive. It is very much informative. However, people are scared that if they die or something happens to them due to the situation we're in right now, their loved ones will be left without any money or whatever. So they increasingly buy insurance, whereas most countries that insurance is required. In the US it isn't, it's optional, and therefore it is a big opportunity for us. The markets are increasing drastically, and I would recommend you to run two different types of offers. What is important if we want to keep it white hat, I cannot say this enough, this is a white hat method, but you can make it as black hat as you want and risk getting banned anyway. The white hat method is going through an informative angle, not scaring them into purchase. So obviously that would give a significantly higher ROI, but you also risk the chance of getting banned. We are going to offer them life insurance and health insurance, as it's the most too often served together or separate. So I did some research. With the health insurance comes general life insurance, which has a very low coverage. So you could even in this scenario do an email capture or an SMS capture and upsell them. I'm going to show you what the flow looks like. So I have two URLs for you here. I'm going to exit this presentation and actually show you the opportunity. So I have one here which is for the US. What you have to keep in mind is that it's a long form flow. So usually they have to answer they have to fill out maybe 12 to 16 fields, submit 2 to 4 pages, but also these leads pay anywhere from $4 all the way up until $45. Sometimes you get paid per lead. So in this situation, sometimes you get paid per sale. Obviously, I would recommend, if you have no experience, start with pay per lead. It's easier. So we're not going to go through the whole flow, but let me just fill this one in and see what the next step is. Okay, your age, your gender. Do you have health insurance? Yes. Who is your current issuer? Let's say, you can see a lot, right? WellPoint. What is your name? XXXX. What is your address? And it takes them basically through the entire flow. If you want to see what is next, I have one for France. So the US is not the only market. This is a French offer. I use Google Translate to translate this to make it easier for you guys. But it's basically for you and your spouse. You have to fill in all these questions. They have some compliance here that you will be contacted. What does it say? Rate valid for one person, age 20, benefiting from blah, blah, blah. according to the formula for an annual payment. All right, so the offer is for an annual contract. It says probably somewhere here like save $300, starting at $20 per month, right? $19, 19 euros. So there are many different offers in this situation. Because the offer has quite a lot of questions, the most important thing is to pre-frame the user that questions are coming up. I'm just going to give you an example. I'm not going to make the ads for you today. However, if you want that, let me know in the comments down below. I can give you some examples. What you have to know in addition is that this is a low ROI industry. So promoting insurance offers, obviously you have the big 80, 100, 200% ROI campaigns. Generally, these offers tend to return 30 to 40% ROI on scale, which is not bad because it's very stable. The insurance has a good take rate and is not crazy in terms of bans, all that stuff if you keep it white hat. One copy you could use, for example, is people are saving up to X amount of money by changing life insurance. What's in it for you? Question mark. And then you just quote the website. So it's completely white hat. It's not aggressive. If people are interested in saving money, obviously they can. If they're not, then they're not. It's fine. Then you take them into the quiz. You ask them, are you male, female? That kind of stuff. The same thing as here. But if it's the same, obviously do the different questions. You get them through the funnel and then they get asked with more serious questions. So the first like 4 questions of this one. So what is your birthday? Maybe not what's your birthday, because that they used for the age thingy, right? But what is your gender? And then do you have health insurance? That would be great. 2 questions in front of this form, right? If this already has a quiz, you might even want to try a 1-button click through, just because for the sake that you cannot direct link. But I just wanted to give you this opportunity. I want you to take advantage of it because I think it's a great opportunity in the market, right? It is very trending due to the situation we're in. It is very trending generally in the first quarter of the year, every year. Affiliate networks will offer additional opportunities for this vertical during that period. You have enough time to prepare, so you have 4 to 6 weeks to basically prepare everything before you can go live. CPMs go down, so all in all, there's a huge opportunity. I'm not saying you cannot get banned. It all depends on how spicy your copy and everything else is. However, I would say this is the least amount of chance to get banned when it comes down to promoting affiliate offers using Facebook ads. So if you're interested in that, go for it. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for. And that's everything I want to tell you today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.